time to Siva Samoa. Let's dance. So today we're going to be talking about the entrance of the Siva Samoa. So when you begin your Siva Samoa, you come into the room. So the first step is to have your hands up and do 1, 2, 3, your leg back. 1, 2, 3. I'll try it from the side so that you can see it from the side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, back. And every time your leg goes back, your head turns too. So you look this way and my leg goes this way, look that way. Yeah, I go back. And so once we've done our entrance, and then we're in front of the people, then we ifo, we bow, and we invite them to come and dance with us. So we turn and we bow to everyone in the audience, and then we dance. Yeah? So let's try that again, shall we? So we've got our toloi, and we ifo,